So last night, I had Windows 10 updates disabled through services.msc, but I forgot to turn off the Wi-Fi to prevent the parasites at Microsoft from installing their shit. And of course, I leave it for a few minutes unattended with the internet connection, and even though Windows updates are disabled through services.msc, it re-enables it automatically, and then I can't even stop it from installing it. It's just 30% complete. It's going to take another 2 hours for me to uninstall it, because my desire to have my operating system not bricked by Microsoft is nothing compared to Microsoft, my computer's true master, from exercising their desire to brick my operating system. Of course, it'll be super duper slow while it uninstalls, because it'll be running 10 times slower. And so it'll take hours to uninstall. And then I'll have to once again disable updates through services.msc, which won't work for long. I forgot to press the stupid Wi-Fi button to disable Wi-Fi. Forgot to turn off the Wi-Fi last night. So, of course, it re-enabled the Windows updates, which I had disabled, so that it could serve its true master of Microsoft, because what are my desires compared to its true masters?